Soul Supreme KZ Tandingan released the queer song Nagmamahal Lang Ako last February and netizens thought that it was for singer Clarice de Guzman. Clarice rose to fame after she was hailed as the first runner-up of the first season of The Voice Philippines in 2013. From that, she has appeared in many Kapamilya shows, and among her most recent stints was being one of the Herdos in its Showtime's Tawag ng Tanghalan. Clarice is part of the Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab edition. During a recent episode of the reality show, she revealed that she is not straight, but confessed that she is bisexual. Along with this revelation, Clarice de Guzman shared that she has been in a relationship with her partner, Christina Rey, for years now. After the revelation on national TV, Christina expressed that she is proud of Clarice. With this, netizens recalled what KZ Tandingan said about her queer song. Clarice and KZ have been together in Kapamilya shows, and netizens speculated that the latter was actually referring to her friend in her song Nagmamahal Lang Ako. I wrote this song about one of my best friends. This song is really special because this person is one of the most important people in my life. Sobrang saya yung naidudulot niya sa amin, ni TJ, and I wish this person experiences the type of happiness and love na binibigay niya sa mga tao sa paligid niya, KZ shared in an interview with ABS-CBN last February. She did not reveal the identity of her friend but stressed that this was her way of showing support. KZ added that her friend was not ready yet to reveal that kind of love to the public. She also shared that she wrote this song during Pride Month in 2023, and her friend helped her to amplify the same stories that others have. Kapamilya Online World shared a post about netizens' speculations that KZ Tandingan's song might be for her friend Clarice de Guzman.